Want to replace your fridge vegetable drawer? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: a new vegetable drawer. Step 1. Remove the old vegetable drawer. Take out the vegetable drawer. Some models have drawer brackets. Try lifting the vegetable drawer slightly and then taking it out. Step 2. Fit the new vegetable drawer. Place the new vegetable drawer in the place of the old vegetable drawer and close the fridge. You have replaced the vegetable drawer and the fridge is ready to use again.